Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting a usable image now. Hold your phone steady and use natural light. Avoid glare. Make sure you have enough storage and an internet connection, then open Google Lens or Google Drive's scan feature. Frame the text so margins are visible. Tap to focus and capture a high-contrast image. Once done, review the preview and retake immediately if letters blur. This saves time downstream and improves OCR accuracy. Now you extract and shape the text. In Lens, tap Select Text. In Drive, open the scan file with Google Docs to auto-run OCR. Select and copy the text, then paste into your document or use Doc's native formatting tools. Make sure to correct line breaks and replace common misreads like 0 versus O or 1 versus L. Use Find and Replace, apply paragraph styles, and keep the original image visible for comparison, because visual context helps resolve ambiguous characters. Finish by exporting and verifying carefully. Choose a searchable PDF for archives or docx for editing, then scan the document for critical data like dates and totals. You should proofread suspicious passages against the original image and apply manual corrections where OCR failed. If accuracy is poor, try retaking the photo with higher resolution and better contrast, change the OCR language, or use multiple passes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.